Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. I got a big box from Wild Badger Power. This is a 26cc 4-in-1 multi-tool. This has a weed trimmer and a brush cutter. There's an attachment for brush cutter, a hedge cutter, and a chainsaw. This is really awesome. What do we got? 10-inch chainsaw. This is going to help out a lot on the homestead. And it's not too late. The grass is still growing in the places where I don't want it to, and the weeds. Nothing else much grew this year, but the weeds and the grass, they grow around the fence lines where I don't need them. So let's pull these parts out and see what we got. Here's a handle. There's some parts, a lot of parts. Oh wow. There's your shoulder strap. Pretty heavy pad on that thing. Ah, there's the part I like. Oh, that's metal. Oh, nice, okay. Metal. Weed and brush cutter, I like that. The string trimmers I don't like so much. The metal cutters, blades like that, I like. So there's your trimmer head. The trimmers, they have their purpose. Wow, that's heavy too. This is no joke. You got some tools in here. Your shield. Owner's manual, always important. And here is the main power head. Can't wait to get this going and try it out. I do got some trimming to do. Looks like here's your hedge trimmer. Wow, this all looks like really good quality stuff. Let's pull this out, and there's an extension pole. Very good. Wow, it doesn't feel like cheap stuff. There's an extension pole. And a hedge trimmer. I'm going to leave that cover on. Look at this. Look at how it's built though. I mean, there's some mass to that. That's solid. That's heavy. Look at that. This is going to be useful. I've always wanted a trimmer. I never wanted to spend the money just for a trimmer, but an all-in-one is a pretty good tool. This one looks like a chainsaw. Here we are. Wow, with its own extension pole. Not a bad size, actually. Chain, bar, guard. Cool. Again, a pretty solid looking thing with an oiler. Look at that. So we've got an extension, we've got our hedge trimmer, we've got our chainsaw bar on its own extension. With oil container. Very good. I don't know what's in this one. I don't see the photo. Another extension. Wow. How big can this thing go? Okay, that would be the trimmer head. Oh, okay. So it looks like everything has, yeah, that's your trimmer. So everything will pop in and out, it looks like. I'm definitely going to have to get the owner's manual out now and have a look. Well, I'm going to run this. I've got the blade on it because there's some pretty thick stuff down in here. I never was able to finish this all year. Finally, I got something to cut that with. Weed trimmer just won't cut these thicker things and the weeds and all that. So this does the job. Down here I did a test run and it cut that thick stuff up nice. Thick stems that I can't cut with anything else. Starts easy. I'm gonna let it run a minute and warm up. Well, that's nice. These are just cut pieces. There's a bunch of cut stuff. Look at that mass. This was tall. But right here, this was as tall as I was. This was thick and tall. See, I can selectively cut now around my berry bushes by my fence. And got in deep there, that was tall. And preserve the bushes. This, I never could cut this. I'll show you why. Just a minute. This stuff, a normal string trimmer can't cut this stuff. It's just too thick. A string trimmer will struggle with that. And here, you can see how many stems there are of that stuff. It's hard. It'll poke you. That's hard like wood. So look at the size of that one. It cuts them off. Now in here I've got a job for the chainsaw. I want to clear this corner in this intersection so people can see better. So I'm going to be using the chainsaw sideways, not up and down. One thing I have to say, it's safer having the chainsaw far from your body. I like this actually, even for brush cutting like this. This is way safer to have this far from your body. Well, I'm going to run this and then I'll get the hedge trimmer to do the small stuff. There's the before. All right, pretty dense stuff here, pretty thick. You cannot see around this corner. I'm going to clean all this out right here. From this point here on the camera, all the way around, lined up to those big trees over there. So I can see coming around this corner, and that'll be safer for everybody in the neighborhood. You can see the difference already. With just that chainsaw, I took out the big stuff. Now I'm going to get the hedge trimmer and take out all the little stuff here. And this will make this a safer place. So this tool already is going to save lives and make this intersection safer. Look at that. I did not record using the hedge trimmer because that is heavier. Carrying that and the camera out around the corner would have been awkward. By the way, the land I'm cutting is my own, so just so people know. But it does the job. It's a really awesome tool. But it's just a lot heavier. There's a counterweight up on front too. And all that front end weight. So I didn't take the camera. So now people can see around the corner all the way down past that last tree down there. I even went further than that. I went all the way down. You can see that last little bit down there. This thing is an awesome set of tools. It made this job nice and easy and fast. The Wild Badger set of tools is really awesome here in Homestead. I put every bit of these to use. The tall, thick stuff that I showed you outside the fence, the same has been all over. We have the front 2 acres fenced in. And I've used this trimmer to clean up all of the front property and trim all over the place. I like it a lot. The trimmer is amazing. Every one of these tools is amazing. It all performed beautifully, and it's going to help us a lot in the coming years. Quick swap out of tools. This is incredibly convenient. You unscrew, I'm one-handed, you unscrew the wing nut here, and then, oh, there we go. Press the spring-loaded button, pop one shaft out, pop another one in, make sure the button locks out, tighten this, and carry on. I swapped out tools the other day when I was doing the front corner, back and forth rapidly, and it works out really nice. I am liking this. Well guys, I gotta get this video up to you, so please do check it out. I'll put the links in the description and the comments below. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Get yourself one of these if you don't have one. It's an all-in-one tool, better than having 4. You got all-in-one. You get 4 tools for the price of 1. Takes up a lot less space in the shed. Talk to y'all later.